In this video, we're going to show you how we built a gate to get into our hay barn. We have been climbing over this panel, coming over here and getting hay and throwing it over here. So I'm just kind of tired of climbing over the panel. So time to build a gate.
Hold it right off, that will come to me a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I hold it right there. So now we gotta figure out how wide we want the gate. I think it should be about 4 foot. What do you think?
Whatever you think is what I think.
It's not much help, but okay. So we're gonna go with 4 foot. Pretty good sized gate.
4 foot gate.
Yeah.
Does it need to be that big?
Go back to 3 foot. You want 3 foot gate?
I think that's big enough, or do you have to have anything wider to get in and out of there?
No, won't have to. I mean, we'll just pack hay bales through it.
Can you get a wheelbarrow through that?
Let's go 3.5 foot. We'll meet in the middle.
Okay. Is the bottom piece going to stay on there?
Yeah,
So I'm not going to be getting a wheelbarrow in there anyway, huh?
No, it'll be, I'll cut through it. So we'll just frame it all up like it is. And then I'll take the wire cable cutters and I'll cut through the panel.
Okay, I
And
see what you're saying.
what I can't get through on, I got a sawzall. I'll go through the sawzall and I'll cut off. And then we'll put the hinges there. And then swing the gate closed against this side. I'm just going to get us a mark. We'll know where to keep it.
So you're marking 3.5 foot?
Yep,
For the gate? We're building a gate so we can get in and out and put hay in there.
Nope, all the fence.
That's why I'm excited about that too. If I was more new.
Not very sturdy.
I've got to get enough space to get started.
Where's the brush
So
at?
you got that all the way down. Yeah, come up and get it.
I'm gonna brush it slow. Come on. Mama, did you see where Drew said I got seeds?
No, I didn't see that.
We got seeds.
Alright, I'm gonna have some kind of cross brace across there too.
A cross brace?
Yeah. right from this corner, I think. And then we'll have to have something in there.
You brushing the goats? Or just Rosebud? You mean to hold it or give you your saw? Or something?
No, I need you to kind of hold it, but see where that corner is right there?
This corner?
No,
This corner?
or the bottom corner.
This corner?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
hold that where it's flush. It can stick above it or below it.
I don't know what you mean when you say flush. Like at the edge of this line flush?
Yeah, but flush at the bottom corner too. Is it all the way down until it reaches your finger at the bottom? Where's flush?
Yeah. I couldn't cut it.
Now, I'm gonna hold. Can you get a mark?
Can I give a mark here?
Yeah, but you gotta go.
Underneath a little more.
Right against that.
I don't know if I can mark it.
You want to mark the bottom. Okay.
That's okay.
Got it?
Yep.
Oh, I'm going better.
Okay, which is the candle editors then.
Don't get me started marking those.
I can kick out the on that.
There's just little photos. Rough that on this side.
You gonna do another X thing or no?
No.
Just that one?
I think it'll get it off. I'll sandwich it on the inside and make one come off just like that.
So you're gonna dig a hole and then put this post in it to.
Well, I didn't have a 4x4, so I laminated one, made a 4x4 out of 2x4s. But yeah, that's gonna help hold her fence up a little better when we cut it for the gate.
And it'll be like working with the latch on to or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna kind of offset it so we can put the latch right here. Level it up right there. You in that level? That's pretty level.
What do you need that?
Need screws and a screw.
The ones you want me to take out?
No, no, no.
Longer? What do you need?
Oh.
You need some more? Or do you want me to screw it?
I think I'm going to screw the rest of the backside. I put one on this side.
You want me to just do it like this way? I'll let you go back and set it up.
Okay, now you're going to have to hand me a one of those hinges and some screws. extension, I think. Alright, we got a finished gate. Kids don't have to climb over the fence to get in to feed the goats hay anymore. And if y'all stay on for the next video, we'll have like an inline fence feeder. We'll have a hay feeder on one side, and then where they can stick their head through and eat feed on the inside. But the kids can still go through here, and we can, and feed the hay from this side, and also feed. Because if you watch some of our earlier videos, the goats try to pretty much knock you down when you get in there to feed them. So. Alright, finished gate.
In and out of it when the camera's out. I'm putting more in there.